What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. Now that we got that out of the way, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we look at the market performance to see how the market has been doing for the past 24 hours. Second, we look at prices in a little bit of details, okay, because I know a lot of people are panicking right now, okay. And after that, we'll look at our positions. Okay, I will tell you guys what I did new today, okay. And after that, guys, let's see if they're going up, down, left, right, or whatever that is going on. So yeah, that's what we're about to do today in a quick, the fastest way we can. But guys, before we get into that, again, if you've been looking at it, I know a lot of you have seen it. The Bitcoin dominance has started to correct downwards. It's a bouncing right now. A lot of people are thinking like, oh yeah, that was just a fake out. It is about to go back up where it was. Guys, that is not how this works. That is not how this works. To me, I think the price of Bitcoin went up way too fast. Understand? If you look at the chart, you will see it. It went too fast up. So it's going to be, like I said, I'm expecting Bitcoin to probably hit $100,000, between $95,000 to $100,000, and then we are going to see a big correction on Bitcoin. Okay, and then that I'm also expecting the Bitcoin dominance to drop, like excuse me, I'm expecting it to drop. That little drop is going to give chance for all the altcoins. You're gonna have Coin, you're gonna have Jasmine. Casper is a different animal. It's very difficult to predict when Casper is about to move, unless you look at the indicators. Casper don't care. I'm telling you this, you guys this. Casper does not give a crap about Bitcoin dominance. Casper pumps even when nobody is expecting it to pump. As you can see right now, I am monitoring that. I'm monitoring that bull flag that is going on right now, like to see, because I want to get entries on it. Okay, so those are the things that I'm doing while I'm talking to you guys. But apart from the dominance, guys, there is a lot of bullish news. Okay, there's a lot of bullish news going around Casper right now. Okay, so many bullish news. Like, they're already giving us a timeline on the smart contracts. They're also giving us a timeline on when the 10 BPS will be implemented. So people are looking forward to this. But guys, you gotta understand something. Once the smart contracts are implemented on Casper, that is when the floodgates will be wide open to 100%, which means Casper will cease to go, will stop being on testnet, and will now be fully mainnet. Okay, I've been saying this for the longest. You guys are about to see Casper do things that you did not even imagine it could do. Because like things like, once the smart contracts are on, that means now they can implement the gigawatt stablecoin, which means that now we can now have a $1 trillion asset on Casper. So there is a lot of things going on. Okay, there's many things that are happening, and at the same time, you're also hearing rumors, confirmed by discussions and conversations, that Coinbase, excuse me, now you got Coinbase, you have Kraken, you have Binance. These guys are getting ready to list Casper. Again, they're not going to tell you we're doing it now because it will be considered market manipulation. Understand? So I believe this massive pump that we just had is all two things. One, people taking their Casper out of Mexi, and then somebody is accumulating Casper, getting ready to list it. Because like say Kraken has already come out and said it. They are kind of adjusting their exchange to accommodate Casper. The same thing we know Binance is doing, because Binance already have it on leverage. Okay, now they're about to accommodate to have it on spot. So there are all those things coming, and that's why I'm telling you guys, you cannot really count Casper out. This downtrend you're looking at right now, to me, is a fake out. It's a fake out. That's what it is. Okay, price went up, and now if you look at the structure, it is forming a bull flag, and that bull flag is what yours truly is looking to try to get an entry on. I want to get an entry on this bull flag breakout. Okay, excuse me. So yeah, there is a lot going on the background. Even like the devs are telling you guys, like, listen, we can even implement these smart contracts and they will run perfectly without the 10 bps, and both would not be interfering with each other. Okay, because I'm telling you, Casper, the smart contracts on Casper are something that you've never seen before. Something. So if you mix up smart contracts on the best blockchain or block diag ever with the fastest block diag ever, you mix up the smart contracts and the fastest block chain or block diag, whatever you want to call it, the mixture is going to be epic. And guys, you guys already know. First, the DeFi. People don't like DeFi. You want to cash out on your DeFi, you have to wait. And then you have to pay high fees and all that stuff. Casper will solve all that, and that will attract a lot of investment, a lot of projects in record time. Okay, so people that are really right now worried about Casper's price, you got to understand something. Casper still doesn't have a TVL yet. There's no value locked on Casper yet. Only because of what? There's no smart contracts. Okay, when there is a smart contract, you start getting the liquidity pools, you start getting the DeFis, the meme coins. Well, we already have meme coins, but are on inscriptions. We don't have them on the block, what you call it, on smart contracts yet. Because yeah, Casplex is somehow some kind of a smart contract, but the main one is coming. So when all that starts to happen, you will see projects starts to migrate from wherever they are, Solana, Bitcoin, Tron, wherever they are, they will start to migrate into Casper. That's why I'm telling you guys, I think in 6 months there will be so much growth on the Casper ecosystem that, guys, I'm not ruling it out. Like probably next year, May, June, you might see Casper starts to hit that $4 or $5. I'm not ruling it out. Because like the development is not going to be like something you've ever seen before. Okay, that's why I'm so bullish. I'm opening up my positions right now because things are about to start heating up right now. If you think this little jump you saw a couple of hours ago is something, wait wait when the real deal starts to come up. Anyways, now let's go right quick and look at the market to see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. So go here. I'm looking at crypto bubbles right quick. See, wow, I don't know what this is, but 307% up. Jesus, the whole market is bleeding, but that one is really going somewhere. I think it's a meme coin. I don't know what that is. But anyways, let's go look at the coins that we are trading on this My Millionaire journey, which is first of foremost, first is King Casper. So KAS Casper. As you guys can see, for the past hour, we are up 1.3%, 7.2% down on the day, 7.5% up on the week, 6.1% up on down on the month, and 18.8% up on the year. We dropped back down the market cap. Now market cap is sitting at $3.23 billion market cap with the 24 hours trading volume at $140 million. Okay, so now we look at quant QNT. Come here, QNT. Yeah, my finger sometimes runs where you don't want it to go. QNT, we are up 2.1% in the last hour, 1.1% down on the day, 1% up on the week, 8% down on the month, and 38.4% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $907.96 million, and a 24 hours trading volume sitting at 58.84 million. So yeah, you can see trading volume is picking up on quant too. Like something is about to happen. Okay, so if you look at Jasmine, JAS, here we are up 1.6% the past hour, 2.6% down on the day, 3.3% down on the week, 2.5% down on the month and 306% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $981.8 million, and the 24 hours trading volume sitting at $280 million. Wow, man, that's a lot of money. Anyways, yeah, as you can see, things are kind of cooling off from where they were. Okay, everything just jumped up really fast. Now we're waiting for the price to start to cool off a little bit before we start to get a lot of price action. Now if you go to my trading view right quick, let me go here. My trading view, what did I do with it? Oh, let me just search it up here, it will be easier. Okay, trading view, we're gonna start first with Casper. Again, like I'm saying, it's something that you guys got to pay attention to, because when I was looking at, I saw this bull flag forming. Okay, it's a bull flag that is forming on Casper, and look at that. I drew the line. We have that resistance right there. Price goes up, meets the resistance, gets rejected. And again, the simple things that we are doing, we are using the moving ribbon with the moving average. Okay, now look at this. We broke below the moving average. Look at the ribbon. Ribbon is falling. Therefore, I'm expecting this price to probably fall down to the likes of probably 12.4. 12.3, 12.4. That's why I'm expecting this thing to fall before it starts to reverse upwards. The reason why I'm saying that is that if you zoom out right quick, okay, 12.4, that is where we have that a lot of what you call it, trading volume. Okay, we have a lot of trading happening right there. See that 12.4, the wick right here. Oh, let me bring my arrow right quick. 12.4 right there, 12.4, 12.4. So I'm expecting this thing to go to that 12.4, 12.5. It came closer earlier today. It came very close, but I think it should come all the way down there. Worst case scenario, okay, if you look at sorry, let me take this out of there. Worst case scenario, let me zoom out, for Casper is to come out and retest this support. As you guys can see, I usually tell you guys, when we break a resistance, we normally need to come back and retest it, but Casper pumped too hard all the way up there. So yeah, either we get supported by the 12.4, or it is going to come back to retest this as support, which is around that 12.1, 12.2. Once it retests that, then yeah, we can start talking about prices start to go off, like take off from there to go retry this 14.5 cents of a target. Okay, that's what I am looking at. Even if you go to the 4 hourly, even if you go to the 4 hourly, let me zoom out a little bit and you will see it, the same thing. See, it is following that resistance all the way down. Ribbon still free falling. We're below the moving average, and it's curving downwards. Yeah, so I'm expecting it to come down, probably that 12.4, or you can have it all the way down here on the support at 12.1, 12.2. That's what we're looking at. Anyways, now let's go look at quant right quick. QNT right here on Binance. Quant is having the same it's having a different story. Okay, when you look at Quant, let me zoom out. This is on the 1 hourly. Okay, look at Quant, it is forming a W. Okay, double bottom on the 1 hour. This is very bullish, because as you can see, price came down. That's number one, and you go again, that's number two, and we're going up. Looking at the ribbon, guys, see that ribbon is trying to curve, and the moving average is on the top. So right now, what I'm expecting Quant to do is to break this Adam and Eve pattern, and if we can go above 63, okay, if we can close above 63, start closing candles, then yeah, there's a very high chance that we will go to try to retest this resistance at $64-65. That's what I'm looking at right now. So if you go to the 4 hourly, see, it is almost identical to the fact that let's go here, let me zoom it out a little bit right there. Look at Quant, it's almost identical. Some people, like you want to look at it that way. On the 4 hourly, we are forming a bear flag, because let's see, this is the pole, that's the flag, and it might break all the way down again. But When I usually look at is other things. Okay, if you look at the MACD, you look at the RSI, they're telling us a different story. And on top of that, if you add the ribbon and the moving average, you see how the ribbon is trying to like pinch together to curve. That is something I'm paying a lot of attention to. And you can see, look, we tried it, got rejected, we tried it, got rejected. I think it's going to try again. Now if you break above the moving average and above the ribbon, up we went. That's what you can see from here right now. So yeah, I wouldn't advise anybody to enter a trade right now. If you want to see first, like I always say, before any trade, I mean in any trade there is a before the trade and there is the after the trade. Right now we are looking for the after the trade to see what the price is about to do, although there is a lot of signs that are pointing that we have this bullish momentum going up, but there's also bearish signs. Like Bitcoin right now, price is correcting, so you never know. So you want to wait and see what happens, okay, before you start making big moves. Okay, now let's go to Jasmy right quick. JASMY, and we're gonna check the Binance here. Jasmy, exactly like we said, it hasn't changed a lot. Okay, for me, there's a lot of people that keep thinking like, yeah, we're gonna go back to 1 cent. Guys, I don't think Jasmy is going to 1 cent. That is not going to happen. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit and you guys should look at this. Okay, this is why I am so bullish on Jasmy. Okay, although like I always said, I've said it so many times, I want to see the price break above these 2.3 cents. You guys can see here, both like met the target, got rejected. We got supported by the ribbon. Now the scenario playing out right now is that this is about to start climbing to try to go up there. That's what I'm looking at right now. It's about to try again to do that, because first of all we got supported by the moving average and price has started to try to go. Okay, you see that this is a higher than this, so I suspect this to start to go again. You can see this is a higher low. So yeah, price is starting to make that move like it's trying to go. So yeah, there is a lot of uncertainty in the market. People are thinking like, okay, because Bitcoin is going to correct, everything else is going down. But guys, like I said earlier, you've got to pay attention to the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, Bitcoin dominance is telling us a different story, because like right now the Bitcoin dominance is losing steam. Okay, so that will also affect a lot on the price of a lot of altcoins, because guys, it's going down. And anyways, that let's just look at it right quick. Okay, that is to give you an idea. BTC dominance right here. There, this is on the 4 hourly. It was like a bounce. Let me take it on the daily. On the daily, I think you should see it better. See, this is what is going on right now. It went up too fast, and I keep saying it, guys, this thing will drop, and when it drops, okay, a lot of people will be caught off guard, because Bitcoin is pumping right now. The way it is pumping, so many people are jumping in. They are jumping in like left and right. Nobody's paying attention. Come on, I should have used my computer. Nobody's paying attention, and this is what you gotta see. Okay, so far, look, let me bring my arrow. See, we dropped. Bitcoin dominance dropped, came back, dropped again, it came back. So you're about to see this thing is gonna drop even it's gonna drop even lower, unless if it can take a higher high. If it can take these highs out, then yes, maybe price is gonna continue going. But guys, I'm telling you guys, it is running on steam right now. It's running on fumes, because like Bitcoin, it hit $97,000 earlier today, and depending on what exchange you're looking at. But guys, this thing is running on steam. So yeah, once the price starts to drop, you are going to see this dominance starts to come lower. So yeah, looking at that should tell you that all coins are about to start running. Anyways, now that said, let's go back here. That is why I am excuse me, I have some money on the side, okay, because I'm about to explain to you guys what I did today. Because I was looking at SUI, right? I'm looking at SUI. I was looking at SUI, and SUI was having this W pattern. These W patterns, you guys already know they are bullish signs. So I let it go up, came back, retest, and I entered a trade. Now, what I did, like I always said, I'm always totally transparent with you guys. What I did is went to my Margex. You guys, if you remember, I had 5 trades on Margex. Okay, I had different 5 trades on Margex. Okay, again, before we explain all this, guys, please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, let me go back here first. Like I always said, do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because you can lose your money very quickly. You can lose your money. That's why it's easier, it's always good for you to start trading with $5. If you can turn $5 into 10, then you can try turning 10 into 20, 20 into 30 before you start playing with a big amount. Because without experience, guys, you will get liquidated. You will lose your money. Understand? So that is something that a lot of people don't tell you. They just tell you, oh yeah, you can make money. For me, I care a lot. I care a lot that you make money. Okay, once you have experience and you know what you're doing, below I do have Phemex and Bydfi links. Sign up using my links, you will get free money. Okay, meet their deposit quorum, and you will get the money. Once you get it, you start trading. You can follow me, follow somebody else's trade, or do you. Right, like I said, that part I really don't care, as long as you make money. That's what I care about. Anyways, now let me go explain to you what I did. So let me go to my Margex again. As you guys remember, I had 5 different trades, right, on Casper. So today I was looking at the opportunity because Sui looks like it's about to start taking off. Okay, like the same thing we're waiting on Casper. The TVL on Sui is gaining ground. So yeah, that is what made me start looking at Sui. That said, I went in there and I didn't have extra money on the side. What I did, out of my 5 Casper trades, I closed 1. Okay, the profits on that one, what I did is like I took some of it. Now I do have a $10,000 position on Sui. Okay, this position right here, I'm trying to capitalize on the momentum that Sui has, because like, yeah, it looks like Sui is about to go to $5. So yeah, I put in 10 grand at 10x. That's what I did. So right now, yeah, my 5th trade is Sui. So right now I have my if you look, my first Casper trade, I am up 75%, which is $3,000. The second one, the same thing, 75%, $3,100. The third one, I am still up 63%, which is $1,200. And then you have the 4th Casper trade, I am up 247%, which is $2,400. And my new Sui trade, I am up 57%, which is around $570. Okay. So yeah, that's something I'm trying to capitalize on, because Sui, it looks very, very attractive now. And on the side, I also have some funds on the side. Like I told you guys, I am waiting for Casper to go all the way back down. We're probably going to hit that 12.4. I'll look at the market, or probably drop all the way down to 12.2. There, I want to enter 2 trades additional on Casper, which I want to capitalize to make a exchange fees with. Like I told you guys, see, the trick on leverage trading is to use the money from exchanges, their own money, to make money with. You understand? Because once I got the bonus, I grew it up. I grew the bonuses up. That's why you're looking at my positions right now. So what we're doing is now is like with those 2 positions that I'm planning to open, that's where the fees are going to come up from. That's where the extra money I might need to open and some other trade is going to come out from. I might take some out to, you know, to take care of my bills, myself, or whatever. That's how you do it. Use the money they give you for free and grow it up. Now let's go look at my Bydfi right quick to see how we're doing on that. So Bydfi, if you go there, where is it? Right there. You guys remember, I think the day before yesterday, yeah, I was up, but again, Bitcoin corrected and things dropped, which is okay by me. I've seen this position at 6 grand, but again, I'm telling you guys, this thing is about to take off. Right now, I am up $8,600. 8,700, as you can see right here, 8,700. Now if you go to my contracts, I am up on Casper. I am still down 47%. Like I told you guys, we just dropped on due to the bull flag that we're forming. So yeah, 47%, which is 2,300. And I'm on Quant, I am down 14%, which is 1,029. That's where we are right now. You got to pay attention to these things, guys. I told you guys yesterday, Quant is making moves. Get ready for that. Again, please do not trade like me. I'm a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. That's why my positions, as you can see, one day I'm up $13,000, the other day I'm down $8,000. That's why they move so aggressively up or down. Okay, now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. Phemex right there. I got sign in, excuse me for a second. Right there, close this out. Okay, the same goes to Phemex. I trade at 50x, guys. That's why you see my positions moving up or down very aggressively. Regardless, today I am still up 12,800 right there. Okay, that's where we're still at. Looking at my contracts, you will see that my Jasmine, I am still down 20%, which is 2,400. And my Casper, I am still down 40%, which is 2,300. Again, I trade at 50x. Please do not copy me unless you are an experienced trader. That's what I do. Okay, I trade at 50x. And if you want to do this, please have extra funds on the side, and I would recommend you using Bydfi, because they are very user friendly. They are very beginners friendly. They will let you open up this trade and you keep putting in money, put more money in each trade to drop your liquidation point. Okay, so yeah, that's what's happening now for Jasmine. Again, we're still waiting for that 2.3 cents. But if you're looking at, like I always say, if you're looking at take profits areas, you got to look at the following. Okay, look at this. Here, the first profit area you want to look at is going to be 4.5 cents. 4.5 cents, this will make me $18,000. Yeah, that's a price you want to take. That's the top of the falling wedge that we are in right now. Okay, and that falling wedge, I'm expecting a little bit of resistance there, because if we break above it, that will be the start of the bull run for the bull run target for Jasmine, because that would be the cup and handle that we are in right now with a target of 60 cents. Okay, next target area you want to look at is going to be 8 cents. For me, it'll be $47,000. After that, next target you want to look at is 12 cents. For me, it's $80,000, but there's a trick to that, because above that is a golden pocket, which is sitting at 15 cents. Like, again, golden pocket usually attract the price. So yeah, we can see price go to 15 cents instead of 12. Well, for me, it will be worth 104,000. After that, another one you want to consider is going to be 20 cents. There's a lot of resistance there. The last bull run we saw that 20 cents for me will be $146,000. After that, we have the 35, and again, if you want to hold it all the way up to the bull run target of 60 cents, that will also be great. For me, it's $477,000. But again, I told you guys so many times, Jasmine, you will depend on how their lockup go. If their lockup go good, excuse me. If their lockup goes good and they lock a good amount of coins, we're about to see Jasmine go in $1 or even $2. Okay, but hey, you can't really hold on it. Like I said, at 60 cents, if you have spot coins, you can take profit, or if you have a leverage trade, you can take some profit, probably 30 or 40% profits, and see how it does from there. Also, will also depend on it would also depend on where the market is at that point in time. If the bull run is almost over with, there's no point. Just close it, take your money, and go. Don't be greedy. Okay, so again, those are the points I am looking at, and to try to capitalize and make a lot of money on this. But for Casper, guys, that thing is about to run. I'm telling you guys, there's so much coming up for Casper. Many people will not believe it until it's too late. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. This was just today's update. Again, please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Or again, please comment. I read everybody's comments, and I try to reply to all of them as soon as I see them. All right, again, share, That way other people with millionaire minds like you and I, millionaire ambitions like you and I, they can see these videos, and then once we share them, we share ideas, and everybody, the family grows and everybody gains from it. Okay, that being said, guys, until I see you in my next one, take pretty good care of yourself. Bye bye.